Here's another great question from Quora. How can a company trademark a color combination, numbers, or basic shapes? My name is Andrei Mincov. I'm the founder of Trademark Factory. On this channel, I've answered hundreds of questions like this one. So if you have an interest in branding, entrepreneurship, trademarks, or intellectual property, make sure you subscribe and get notified whenever the next video goes live. Also, if you got a question for me that you want me to answer in a video just like this one, make sure you comment below and ask your question like that. So going back to this question, how can a company trademark a color combination, numbers, or basic shapes? Well, here's my answer to this question. Unlike copyright, which requires the work being copyrighted to be original, trademarks don't. You are not required to come up with a fully original work for it to be trademarkable. That's why you can trademark dictionary words. That's why you can trademark basic shapes. That's why you can trademark numbers. That's why you can trademark colors. Because the whole idea of trademarks is not that you've written or designed something totally unique. It's that you came up with something that uniquely identifies your products and services apart from identical products and services of everyone else. So the function of a trademark is to help the public distinguish your products and services from everyone else's. And to the extent that your basic shapes, your color combinations, your numbers, or dictionary words fulfill that function of allowing the public to tell your products and services from the same products and services of everyone else, that's perfectly okay. That's perfectly trademarkable. So, for example, if you look at basic numbers, right, there's a lot of car models that use numbers, perfectly trademarkable. The Mercedes have trademarked all of their numbers. BMW trademarks all of their numbers. Audi trademarks all of their numbers that they use in their car ranges. And there's nothing inherently unique in those numbers except that no other car manufacturer used those numbers to identify their cars. And now that they own those, now that they've trademarked those, no other car manufacturer can suddenly come up with the same numbers for their car model ranges. That's what trademarks are for. So again, so to your question, how can a company do that? Well, they can do that just like filing any other trademark, as long as nobody had trademarked that before, and as long as that basic shape, the number, or color combination can function as a trademark, as long as it has the potential of allowing the public to tell your products and services apart from everyone else's, it becomes trademarkable. I hope this answers your question. Make sure you like this video if it does. Like I said, if you've got another question for me, make sure you post a comment below and subscribe to hear my answer to your question and also to many other questions that I will be answering on this channel. And until then, I will see you in the next video.